I am today from the scenes I roamed a boy, and long ago the hour I know I first saw Illinois, but time nor tide nor waters wide could wean my heart away. Forever true it flies to you, my own dear Galway Bay. Oh, grey and bleak by shores and creek, the rugged rocks abound, but sweet and green the grass between that grows on Irish ground. So friendship fond, oh wealth abound, and love that lives always, and bless every home beside your phone, my own dear Galway Bay. Had I used blood and hopeful mood and a heart of fire once more, for all the gold the world might hold, I'll never leave your shore. I'd be content with whatever God sent, with neighbours old and grey, and I lay my bones neath churchyard stones beside you, Galway Bay. The blessings of a poor old man be with you night and day. The blessings of a lonely man whose heart will soon be clay. It's all of heaven I ask of God upon my dying day. My soul is sore forevermore. I love you, Galway Bay. My soul is sore